It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! I am back. Oh my goodness, Bath and Body Works is closed. I wanted to go to Bath and Body Works today, but the power is still not on at our mall. So if I'm shopping the mini sale, I am shopping online. Oh my gosh, you guys, we got to talk about this. So we're still in the middle of the Member Appreciation Week. Oh my gosh, the laundry detergent and the beads gone, totally sold out. I'm like, apparently those are a lot more popular with other people than me, which I get. I mean, a lot of people may want the laundry detergent because it did sell out. So today, it's funny, you know what they did? They changed. Remember, early access to Luminous was going to be September 15th. It's now September 8th. They changed the date. So Luminous is coming. Sold out on the laundry. And then I'm not sure what's going on with the jammies. The jammies. Can you even still buy those? I don't know. Oh no, it looks like all of that's gone. So if you wanted a robe, I hope you got your robe. It was funny. I almost got one at the end just so I could review it. Then I'm like, you know what? I would rather spend the money on actual products. So today, you can still get candles for $13.95, but I don't know if can you get the green apple. I see this is the confusing part again, because it's saying sold out. Can you get like the apricot and green fig? I don't know how you get to those. I just typed in the title. But any of those new candles. So I did do a candle order the other day because check it out. New coupons. Actually, my friend Tina gave me 2 coupons yesterday. I was so excited. Like, I have more coupons. So this is actually really good news so that I can buy more stuff to review. So today, Bath and Body Works is doing the $2.95 sale on all minis and the bar soap. This is a phenomenal deal if you need to get some of the minis or the soap. I always say buy it during the mini sale. So mini sale includes the mini body cream, the lotion, I think the body shower, they're calling it body wash, but it's like shower gel, the hand cream. So we're going to talk about this. You have to use the code LITTLES online, and then in the store, you have to use the barcode. So hand sanitizer spray is also included. What happened to the pump hand sanitizer cream? Because I'm not seeing those anymore. Did those go? I love those. I don't know what happened to those. That's really weird. So I have an old hand cream. I have Dahlia here. So this is what they look like if you want to get the hand cream. Only day you should be buying hand cream because hand cream is usually $8.95. They have a lot of good ones. They have the new Chasing Fireflies. They have Coffee and Whiskey, Mimosa Spearmint, in the Stars, Vetiver Vanilla, just a lot of the good fall ones. What I want to get, which I didn't get the last time we had a sale, is the Manhattan Nightcap Bar Soap. I want it for me. I love that scent. I don't know if my husband would use it, but I definitely want to get that. I might place a small order today. Pumpkin pecan waffles. That's really cute in the minis. Like that would make a great fall gift for someone. Also the aromatherapy like lavender vanilla. And then, vampire blood in the hand cream. That's a good one. If you're going to do like, gifts. They did do a hand cream sale not too long ago for $1.95 though. So that was actually the better deal. But if you missed that one, $2.95 is better than $8.95. And then as far as like the bar soap, this is what they look like. This is actually Pink Pineapple Sunrise. Some of them are white, and then others of them are like this beige color. And I think what it is, it's just like a difference in the ingredients because they're natural, they're shea butter. I gotta say, I love the soap. So like I said, I want to get some of the Manhattan Nightcap. Coffee and Whiskey, that's another good one. Let's see, what other bar soaps do they have? They have 3 pages of product. Eucalyptus Spearmint. I might get one of those. My mom loves that one. Let me see. Hero, Ocean. If you're looking for like Christmas gifts, the bar soaps aren't going to go bad. at all. I would pick up some bar soaps as stocking stuffers now. I know it's never too early to shop for Christmas. It's funny. I'm just waiting for Christmas to arrive at like the craft store. You know it's coming like sooner than later. I got to get to some of these stores and look at Halloween. Yeah, strawberry pound cake in the minis. If you're kind of craving strawberry pound cake because it didn't come out in the fall, pick it up in the mini. So anyway, mini sale today, candle sale $13.95, and then I'm hearing we're supposed to be having a big body care sale for Labor Day weekend, which is good. So I'm kind of holding off on buying any more like big stuff until I see what's going on for Labor Day. Anyway, I hope everyone's having a good Saturday. The weather is finally cleared here, although a lot of places, thankfully, we have power, but a lot of places in Northeast Ohio still do not have power, so it's pretty bad out there. So I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.